Little Lucy, big old paws, sniffing shoes and chewing balls. Every day's a tiny test, only passes if it's best. Certified by Lucy, if she loves it, so will you. Certified by Lucy, she'll sniff it, chew it, try it too. Puppy approved. Certified by Lucy.
A big welcome to Lucy's channel. I wanted to start this channel a while ago, and Lucy has inspired me to actually start this, as I want to re-educate everybody out there of how to really look after their dogs. They are part of our family. Lucy turned 12 weeks old on Christmas Day 2025, and she's classified as a bigger puppy, but come and join us in the fun as she plays and discovers everything around her. She inspired me so much, and she reminded me to be mindful of every single moment. Every single thing is actually so spectacular. Watching her explore and discover things really inspired me. I hope that you're going to find all the tips and tricks that we're going to go through on this channel very useful as well. How do we really look after our dogs? What do they like? What are safe foods to give them? What are safe toys to play with? Watch how they learn. And aren't they just too cute? They just bring absolute joy to our families. Food is a very good way to teach them tricks and obedience. And as we go through these, you'll see how she grows and how she's a very confident puppy. She doesn't shy away. She tackles the big dogs in a very friendly way. She's accepted all of them. Socialization, food, play, and learning all has to be fun. And this is going to be an absolute great journey in watching her grow up and go through life's experiences. Obviously, we had to then try boerewors. Now, we all know not all boerewors is made the same. We buy our boerewors from Tuleba Butchery in Pretoria North. They have absolutely the best boerewors on earth, and we decided it was time for little Lucy to also taste this wonderful boerewors. She has smelt it on the braai, and she knows it's coming from somewhere. She knows it's around here, and she keeps on discovering, can she fit in here? How does she get hold of what smells so absolutely delicious? Her explorations are fascinating. And the time has come, and she is so overexcited that it was really difficult to keep her calm. Her sister, Gypsy, is very well trained, and she's getting much better at it. But clearly, she loved this boerewors, and it is definitely certified by Lucy. Like and follow this channel to be updated with all the adventures of little Lucy.